You can get this book here, paperback, from Amazon Books, or you can go to Kindle eBooks and you can download my book on your phone. Okay, and you ain't got to worry about it. It's right there on your phone. I believe it's $7.99 to download it on your phone, and I think the paperback is like $14.99. But if you get to download the ebook, it may be a little even cheaper than $7.99. Okay, so please, if you get a chance, get the book. It'll tell you more about your boy and why I came up with this channel. So I'm gonna give you a tidbit of me, myself, and how I came up with this concept of the 7 P's of life to a renewed mind. In 2005, I did a prison bit. Okay, I was out here in these streets, doing what I wasn't supposed to be doing. It wasn't like I wasn't a believer of the Most High God, because I was a believer. I always believed in God. I got baptized as a teenie. My aunt brought me to the church, brought me and my siblings to the church. So I got baptized as a teen. And then as I became an adult, I got baptized again in the spirit.